In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join official Rocket League Discord server. If you're already in Discord on desktop or the browser app, this will take just a minute. We'll use Discord's built-in Discover feature to find the official community and join it from a quick preview page. First, look to the left side of Discord, where your servers appear in a vertical column. Near the top of that column, you'll see a small compass icon. That's the Discover button. Click the compass to open Discord Discover. This section is designed to help you explore public communities by game, topic, or interest, so it's perfect for finding the official Rocket League space. Inside Discover, make sure you're on the server's view, then head to the search bar at the top right. Type Rocket League into the search field. As you type, you'll see results populate below. The official server typically shows up at the top with a large member count and clear branding. If you notice a verified or official-looking badge, that's a good sign you're in the right place. Don't worry if you see a few similar results. The preview will help you confirm. Click the Rocket League result to open the server's preview page. This page lets you look around safely before joining. You'll usually see a short description, community guidelines, and a sampling of channels and events. Take a moment to skim the overview so you know what to expect once you're inside. When you're ready, look toward the top of the page for the Join button and click it. That's it. You've joined. After you join, the Rocket League server will appear in your server list on the left, and you can access it anytime from there. Give the channels a moment to load, and consider glancing at any welcome or rules channels so you're up to speed on how to participate. From there, you can explore match-finding channels, news updates, and announcements at your own pace. If something doesn't show up right away, a quick refresh of Discord usually helps, and searching again in Discover will bring you back to the same preview page. But following these steps should land you in the official Rocket League community without any trouble. That completes the process. Enjoy connecting with other players, staying on top of updates, and finding new teammates in the official Rocket League Discord server.